guys, what we have here is a 2001 Yamaha R1. And it's old. And it's got some issues. Number one is it will not stay on if you let go of the throttle. We got this thing is loose here. We got this thing broken here. We're missing a bolt here. Well, I have the bolt, but it doesn't fit, so I need a bigger one. I don't know what is going on here, but that is not lined up right. This is a custom built bike with a custom built swing arm. Jimmy told me the story, but I already forgot what the story on this bike is. Maybe I'll have him explain it. But this thing is not attached to anything, so we're gonna have to figure out what to do about that. This thing's just hanging on by a thread here, or actually by these bolts right here. So we're gonna have to do something about that. The rest of the bike doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's not a brand new bike. Got a little dent there. This is way too shiny. These handlebars, there's no padding on them, so riding for a while or any length of time hurts. These things are not my style. I'd rather have shorties, so we're gonna change those. Mirrors I'm not too sure about yet, so that's getting replaced. Nothing else seems. These lights, I don't know if they're legal, but Jimmy says that he's always passed inspection, so I'm not gonna worry about them. The seat's starting to not look so hot. I'm not sure if I'll replace it or not. Well, I'll probably replace eventually everything. But the main thing is this thing doesn't want to stay on. Let's see if it gets started. Yep. Even after you warm it up, it doesn't stay on. You have to pull the choke, hold the choke. She sounds good. Even after warming it up, it doesn't stay on. And if it's in gear, it won't start either. So you have to put it in neutral and start it. Pulling the clutch does nothing. But from far away, she looks good. Now they won't let me use this bike on the track, so this is just gonna be my cruising around bike. I'm gonna have to buy another and there goes. We're gonna have to buy another bike if we want to try the track next summer. I like this side. This side looks nice. But yeah, so this is gonna be, we're gonna have to bring this one to Kenny, have him go through the system, engine, and tune-ups and oil changes and adjust the valves and all that fun stuff that I don't know how to do. And maybe we can get this thing ready for 2024.